Welcome to the overview of the Aero-Flex Pre-Apprenticeship Program, an innovative employer-centric workforce development pipeline program. This program has been developed by employer partners as well as the South Bay Workforce Investment Board, training funding partners, West LA College, and other partners including El Camino College and Tulane USME. Funding for the development of this program was contributed by grants from AMP SoCAL, as well as a Workforce Accelerator Fund and ongoing grant funds. Aero-Flex is a pre-apprenticeship program designed by employers in the aerospace and defense industry that creates a career pathway for individuals interested in engineering and builds a workforce pipeline for employers. The program is focused on advanced manufacturing engineering roles and is designed to be flexible so that employers can flex any portion of the program framework or curriculum to meet their specific needs. Currently, we have a pre-apprenticeship model defined for a pre-engineering role, and we'll be expanding to other pre-apprenticeship roles within advanced manufacturing. These pre-apprenticeship roles will link to registered apprenticeships in aerospace engineering through Aero-Flex, as well as other advanced manufacturing apprenticeships through the Strong Workforce Apprenticeship Group. The program started with design and outreach from employers in aerospace and defense and advanced manufacturing. And the results of that outreach were consistent across the board in that employers are looking to increase their talent pipeline and retention of qualified engineers, reduce time to competency for new workers, increase productivity and quality, expand relationships and perhaps influence curriculum in their local schools, minimize any change or disruption to any current development programs that are going on within the organization, yet create a flexible, dynamic workforce with a common skill base, and hopefully partner to a greater extent with the workforce system to access grant funding and other benefits. Through the development of the pre-apprenticeship program, we formed a unilateral apprenticeship committee, which currently has the following employer partners as a part of the committee. If you choose to participate with Aero-Flex, you would join the Aero-Flex Apprenticeship Committee and have access to curriculum, design protocols, and provide input into future designs. What is a pre-apprenticeship? The Department of Labor defines a quality pre-apprenticeship as one that, among other things, links directly to a registered apprenticeship. However, a pre-apprenticeship is not registered with the Department of Labor and does not require any Department of Labor oversight or reporting. It is a flexible, employer-driven workforce development tool where employers can create a model that's specific to their talent pipeline development needs, including defining the target audience, model, curriculum, duration of the program, and industry recognized credentials that may or may not be a part of the program. It does contribute to the development of a diverse and skilled workforce and can link through a direct entry agreement to a registered apprenticeship. However, that is not required. Pre-apprenticeship does play a valuable role in preparing qualified entry-level workers for registered apprenticeship, for full-time work, and for continuing their continued education. What is the Aero-Flex pre-apprenticeship? As it was designed by employers and for employers, it is as flexible a model as can be. It is designed to include on-ramps for any type of participant that may be relevant to your organization, including interns, current incumbent workers, new grad, university graduates that are new hires, and adult reentry workers. Completion of the pre-apprenticeship can link them into continued education of their through attainment of bachelor or associate degree, link directly into full-time work, link directly into a registered apprenticeship. The framework of the Aero-Flex pre-apprenticeship is designed by the employers, and their input is to the skills that were missing from the talent pipeline. They identified core competencies and curriculum that were relevant to preparing someone for a role in engineering. The program includes access to online assessments to allow for credit for prior learning or prior experience for the participant. It includes 3 tracks of training, track 1 being the work readiness soft skills that employers identified that were lacking in the pipeline, such as critical thinking, communication skills, and time management. Track 2 provides for industry-specific technical skills training, which is an online training through Tulane USME. which can be customized as well by the employer. Track 3 is the work-based learning or internship or on-the-job training component of the pre-apprenticeship. It is completely defined, again, by the employer. Each of these tracks, and upon completion of all 3, provides a variety of portable, stackable, industry-recognized credentials. The curriculum, informed by employer design, maps to existing curriculum at the South Bay Workforce Investment Board called Blueprint for Workplace Success. This addresses soft skills such as how to find and obtain a job and how to keep and thrive within your job. All of this training can be customized for your program and includes both workbook, online, and classroom instruction. Track 2 is the online training through Tooling USME. Their subject matter experts mapped their curriculum to the competencies that the employers indicated were important for a entry-level engineering or pre-engineering worker, including health and safety, applied technologies, engineering drawings and prints, measuring and improving work. As a participant, you can customize and cherry pick within any of these competencies and courses. You can also create custom bundle or bundles of courses from the entire Tooling USME catalog. At completion of all 3 tracks of training, and as well as receiving completion certificates along the way, the pre-apprentice can receive a capstone completion certificate that confirms this is an industry-validated curriculum and set of skills that they attained. All of the industry partners have signed through the UAC to confirm that the curriculum is relevant to their industry. If you choose to participate in Aero-Flex, you would join the apprenticeship committee and your logo would also appear on the capstone certificate. Additionally, through grant funds available currently, there is a $500 stipend available to the pre-apprentice who completes all 3 tracks of the program, should you choose to design that into your program. That $500 stipend can also be used to create another seat in training for a new pre-apprentice versus providing an existing pre-apprentice with the stipend. Benefits to you, the employer, to participating in pre-apprenticeship and running a program within your organization includes access to a pool of candidates with work readiness and entry-level technical skills. Of course, building a flexible and dynamic workforce with a common skill base. It allows you to have input into ongoing, flexible, changing skills and curriculum needs. We are looking to expand the program already with employer input and to add additional courses and perhaps a level 1 NIMS certification, and other input that you may have along the way could inform the program design and curriculum as well. Benefits to the pre-apprentice includes the ability to explore and learn about advanced manufacturing careers, obtain some paid or perhaps unpaid work experience that they can add to their resume, to their college application. They would be given access to an industry association membership through the Society of Manufacturing Engineers, which provides them access to more mentoring, scholarships, and other activities, as well as a social network and job openings. It provides a variety of industry-recognized stackable credentials, including the capstone credential, and it provides them an opportunity to advance their employment and gain marketable industry-driven skill sets. We've also created a LinkedIn group for the alumni of the program as well as employers to keep employers connected to the participants and create a network and share job and training opportunities. We've also developed through grant funds the first of its kind registered apprenticeship for aerospace engineer, and that has been submitted to the Department of Labor and is pending approval. Once approved, we will also submit to the Department of Division of Apprenticeship Standards in California. If you're interested in learning more about Aero-Flex or perhaps running a pre-apprenticeship or apprenticeship program in your organization, please contact Jessica Kukim at the South Bay Workforce Investment Board or Juliana Kirby at Training Funding Partners. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.